Hi guys, this is Victor on the road, and over there's alligator.
No, you have eyeballs and oh yeah, he's so cute. Takes ways you have eyeballs. Down hill.
So cute. I'm gonna show you the rest of the Everglades.
Guys, I can't believe how many alligators we're seeing. Is it fun?
Alright, so the question was, what's the difference between a crocodile and an alligator?
Big question.
Well, I told you the alligator's black. The crocodile is all the green, grayish color. Crocodiles can actually change colors. Alligators are only black. 2, the narrow snout of the crocodile versus the V-shaped snout of the alligator. Crocodiles can get bigger than alligators. And alligators live in fresh water. Crocodiles live in salt water. Even though alligators can live in salt water, but for a very short period of time. Crocodiles, on the other hand, can live both in salt and fresh water. They just prefer salt water because they have bigger prey items. And crocodiles are a tropical species, where alligators are a temperate species.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
So
Thanks for
before
watching.
I get to